Apparently, we have a lot of obese kids in this country. I wouldn't know anything about that. Okay, I was an obese kid, but this option was not around many years ago. In fact, it was only around now, where there are a lot of weight loss drugs being recommended for obese kids. I don't know if that's such a good idea, but I do know that Dr. Frank Contessessa does. Doctor, you know, there are a lot of people who are going to hear this and immediately say, well, wait a minute, I'll just have my kid exercise more, or I'll watch his or her diet. But there are some that this doesn't work, right? So what do you think of this whole thing?
Childhood obesity has really spiraled out of control in the last few years. We're up to almost 20% of children today are dealing with some form of obesity. That's 1 in 5 kids are now overweight or obese. It's really spiraled out of control. We certainly see it with adults, but we're seeing it with kids too. And what's going on now is the American Academy of Pediatrics has now come out with a new set of recommendations on aggressively treating childhood obesity. And the aggressive management includes drugs, some of which are some heavy-duty medications, and even up to the point of bariatric surgery for children 12 and under, or right around that age. So in some cases, this is probably not a bad idea. When all else has failed and kids are unable to lose weight and they're facing a lifetime of health issues like diabetes and heart disease, then maybe this aggressive approach is the way to go. But as a broad recommendation, I'm not sure I'm in favor of being quite so aggressive with so many people, because it seems to me it's more of a failure to teach kids how to live a healthy lifestyle. We're seeing sedentary children, they're attached to their devices, and they're not really taught how to eat properly. And you know, they're eating a lot of fast food, they're eating a lot of snacks. So on some level, I think it's a failure of society and parents and all of us to teach children how to live a healthy lifestyle.